Recently, I've been experiencing itchy scalp, noticing dead and damaged ends, and of course, hair fall. Monsoon always makes my scalp and hair bad. I knew it's time for Dadi ka nuskha. By this, I basically mean time for DIY. Let's head towards kitchen. For this, you need fenugreek seeds, also known as methi. Here, I'll be taking 2 cups of fenugreek seed. Soak it into water for 8 to 10 hours. In the morning, I'll filter the water. Remember not to throw the water. We'll be using it soon. Now, I'll be putting the fenugreek seed in the grinder to make it into a paste. Now it's time for the second ingredient of the mask, which is ginger, also known as adrak. FYI, I love adrak ki chai. Now back to the video, take a good quantity, put it into the grinder. Now coming towards the third and the last ingredient, which is a fresh cream. You can also use a yogurt. Pour a sufficient quantity in the jar to make the paste. Now add the water and grind all the ingredients together. It's so easy, isn't it? And it's easily available in your kitchen. This is how the mask looks. Remember, I prepared for my husband and in-law, so the quantity is a lot. I'm wearing an old t-shirt of my husband and putting a towel to protect myself, basically. Please remember to comb your hair before the application to remove hair knots. I always opt for a wood comb because I love it. Now we'll start with the application. Put your hair into a section and apply it one by one. Put a good quantity. Now let's just talk about the benefits of each ingredient. We should know why are we using it, isn't it? Fenugreek seeds has a lot of benefits. It prevents hair loss, fights dandruff, promotes hair growth, and prevents premature grey hair. Ginger also helps with hair loss and control dandruff. Ginger also acts as a natural conditioner and most importantly nourishes hair follicles, ensuring faster hair growth. Fresh cream conditions hair, making damaged dead ends alive and make your hair look lustrous. So after the application, I'm just massaging my scalp. And making a bun juda. Now I'll be wrapping my head with a dry cloth just to avoid the clumsiness, and the mask should not fall into my house and makes it more clumsy. Wash it with the regular water. If you want, you can condition, however I don't. Keep it for at least 2 hours. Voila! Here is my hair. It looks so luxurious, so shiny, so bouncy. The volume is amazing, and plus there's no hair fall. Do subscribe to my channel for more DIYs and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Do follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. At the last I'll say, take care and stay pretty and keep rocking beautiful hair.